In today's video, I'm going to teach you ways to hide a section in Shopify Theme Editor, Desktop. Shopify doesn't have a universal hide switch that works across every theme, so what you see can vary. I'll walk you through two reliable approaches you can use right inside the theme editor, and I'll share a few tips to help you choose the best option for your store. First, check whether your theme supports the built-in visibility control. Open your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize to enter the theme editor. In the left sidebar, hover over the section you want to hide. Some themes reveal a small eye icon next to the section's name. If you see it, click the eye to hide the section from the preview. This is great for quick, reversible changes while you design. When you're happy with the result, click Save to apply. Keep in mind, not every theme includes this control, and its behavior can be template-specific, so preview your storefront to confirm the change looks right on the pages you care about. If your theme doesn't show the eye icon, you can hide the section with custom CSS. Still in the theme editor, select the section you want to hide and look for a custom CSS field in its settings panel. If your theme includes this field, you can add a simple rule like your section class, display, none, important. That tells the browser not to display the section. To target the correct element, right-click the section in the preview and choose Inspect to open your browser's developer tools. Look for a class or an ID that uniquely identifies that section, then use that selector in your CSS. After adding the rule, click Save and preview your store to confirm the section is hidden on desktop and mobile. If the section doesn't offer its own custom CSS field, you can place the rule in the theme's global CSS instead. In the editor, open Theme Settings, then Custom CSS, and paste the same display. None rule with your section's selector. Save your changes. Note that adding CSS globally will hide that selector everywhere it appears, so be precise with the class or ID you choose. As a final tip, document the selector you used so you can quickly undo or adjust it later. And remember, display. None removes the section visually, but keeps it in your HTML, which is usually fine for design tweaks. That's it. Two straightforward ways to hide a section in Shopify without editing theme code files.